Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix Instagram suspicious activity detected. If you click on next, then they will ask you to change your password because I will tell you what are the reasons behind it. That's why they are asked you to change your password. The first reason is that someone is trying to log in your Instagram account on different devices, or you have logged in your Instagram on different devices and you have not logged out from that devices, or someone is trying to get your account by changing password again and again so that Instagram tells that your account is going to be hacked. So let's go to the solution without wasting any time. You have to open Instagram. In Instagram, what you have to do is, if you can't remember your password, then you have to click on get help with login. If you remember your password, then you can click on next, but if you don't remember your password, you have to click on can't reset your password. After that, they will send you method or Instagram code on your phone number or email. If you don't remember email or you don't have phone number, then you can click on try another way. Here you will find the method how you can recover your account or you change your password if you don't remember your email address or you don't have that number you have provided to Instagram already. Here you have to click on change your email address and they will ask you to verify yourself. If you have photos in your Instagram account, then they will ask you for a video selfie, and in this way they will provide you to change email address and they will send you verification on a new change email address. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.